Abel came to see me today. Hello, Abel. Hey, you want me to scratch your butt? Huh? You being a good boy? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Donkey and Abel get along. I want to adopt Abel, but he doesn't exactly belong to me. Sure would be safer with me though.
Unfortunately, you might see anything about what it looks. I'm not actually a plumber. I'm a heat and air guy, but I work on the type parts. But
Yeah.
we'll have to get the plumber out on that. Because, yeah, that's a lot of water. Of course, it's probably been leaking for quite a while.
Yeah. Actually, I mean, just tighten more if you can.
Yeah, that's as tight as it's going to go.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, then just light it.
Well, it is that. The problem is that
there's too much standing water.
Yeah.
Hey, Marjorie, give me a towel.
You're going to have to fix that, or it's just going to keep growing. I mean,
because it's just a drip, though. I mean,
yeah. Well,
you have to get the water out in order to.
yeah, but the water's going to get back in there. I mean, that's just a drip to there. It's just like it was.
Is it still dripping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's corroded. You're going to have to replace it. That line and stuff. But, yeah, see these?
Replace the line.
Yeah, they suck the air through these little holes here.
Yeah.
And when they get water so high, we can't do anything.
Right. Okay, so there's an igniter and the pilot's on.
It can't get any air. It can't breathe.
Oh, and so it can't have fire.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him how much it'll be and just come fix
it's
it.
actually cheaper than meat.
Is it?
Yeah, we're 88 and I think they're 86.
Okay.
But anyway, I'll tell you this. Get somebody here to again.
Alright. Just, I don't want to stand here all day. I don't want to sit here. I want to go home. So,
Will you be here?
yeah, she'll be
Oh,
here.
somebody to
Okay, that's fine. Just call me with how much it is. She has my number, so
Yeah,
just call
an
me.
hour should cover it. Then the price of a flex connector.
Yeah, right.
Probably
$100. Yeah, $100.
It should
Okay.
be $100 somewhere.
Thank you. It's not that big of a deal. Same as what I told you it was. It's like the pipe. Shit happens, but they're gonna come back.
Okay.
Like, he's not a plumber. He's a, I don't know. They're weird people.
Why is somebody not?
No, he's a heat and air guy or some shit. Like, because they have a bunch of different people and they just be like, oh, send somebody. I don't know. But, they'll be here.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna go home. I'll pay them. Just tell them to call me.
Okay.
And, you can call them and whine at them.
Okay.
If you want.
I gotta run to the city here around in an hour.
You can call them and whine at them, or just call them and make a time.
Okay.
Call City Heat and Air.
City getting there? Okay.
Yeah. Just call them and be like, yo, I have to go somewhere, blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Meet me at a time, and, you know, have them fix it. Thank you, dear darling.
Huh?
Have a good day.
That's good.
You'll get it fixed.
You too.
And good luck with the mowing. I know mowing sucks.
I know. Getting the right professional one.
Oh man, they're interesting. If you get a mower, get a what do you? Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. You're okay, kitty, kitty. There's that cat again. Running off. I wonder if he's coming to eat. Like, I throw food out here for the birds, but I think everything else eats it. It's my patio I'm building. I've been working on it. A messy yard. None of my bushes have died so far. That's always good.